Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the world of cloud computing. So, what is cloud computing? Simply put, it's the delivery of computing services like storage, processing power, and software over the internet. Instead of using local servers or personal devices, you're leveraging the power of the cloud. Now let's talk about its benefits. First up is cost savings. With cloud computing, you only pay for what you use, which means no hefty upfront costs for hardware. It's a great way to allocate your budget more efficiently. Second, we have scalability. Need more resources? You got it. The cloud lets you scale up or down based on your needs without any hassle. It's perfect for businesses that experience fluctuating workloads. Next, let's discuss accessibility. With cloud computing, you can access your data and applications from anywhere in the world, literally anywhere with an internet connection. This is a game changer for remote work and collaboration. Security is another big one. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures to protect your data. We're talking about encryption, identity management, and regular security updates, much more than what most individual businesses can afford on their own. Finally, let's talk about disaster recovery. In case of a system failure or data loss, cloud services offer robust backup and recovery solutions. This means your data is safe and can be restored quickly, minimizing downtime. So, there you have it, a quick rundown on cloud computing and its benefits. It's a modern solution that's changing the way we use technology. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.